So what happens when you file an I-751? Well, the I-751 is basically like a secondary fraud check on your marriage. Number one, if you are still with your husband or with your wife who petitioned for you, then you can file a joint petition for your I-751. But is it that easy? No. I really recommend that you file with a lawyer because you may be still called for an interview and you need to have the right type of evidence when you prepare your case. Number two, what happens if you're a spouse and you are divorced or you're having problems in your marriage? In that case, maybe your spouse no longer wants to petition for your application. And if that happens, then you may have two choices. Number one, if you're already divorced, you may be able to file a waiver based upon the divorce. But here is what happens. A lot of people don't have a lot of evidence. And if you don't have a lot of evidence, then my question to you is, well, what happened during your marriage? Was it a hurtful marriage? Were you living a nightmare? We hear so many stories in my office of how once a client got their green card, their spouse ended up controlling them, saying, you owe me because I helped you with this process, turns them into a servant, really starts verbally abusing them, taking their money. Maybe even before you got your green card, your life may have been a nightmare because your spouse may have kept using your immigration status against you. And you may have been afraid to leave your spouse or to do anything against them because you were afraid they're going to cancel your case or take your green card away. And if that's the case, then this may be the ground of what is called extreme cruelty and battery. And you may be also able to apply for a waiver based upon this and file your I-751 by yourself. It is extremely important to work with a lawyer. We have worked on so many complicated, complex I-751s. One I-751 that we got approved, it was a very lengthy battle. All we had was a psychological evaluation, and that's it, my client. And he had like 3 pictures from 15 years ago with his wife, and that was it. Nothing else. And we got that approved. So don't give up. And if you have an expiring 2-year green card, don't put your head in the sand. Take action today to get your next process started, okay? Give us a call, 212-248-7907.